I want to introduce now a very simple method for studying vocabulary, to practice and to reinforce your memory. This is the process. I create a table with 2 columns, very simple, Word document. Then let's say that in this column I'm going to write a list of Italian words. I had them prepared. Here I leave a couple of spaces at the top, and here I'm going to start writing the translation. Now it so happens that I actually done it before, so I have the list right here. This is my passive recognition exercise. Italian words, and I write the English equivalent. Now I want to do the opposite. I want to test my recollection, the productive skill. Do I know how to translate English words into Italian? Do I remember the Italian words? So what I do here, I copy these words and I paste them in this cell. Now, the reason why I left a couple of spaces at the top and at the bottom is to make it easier to copy just the list. You don't want to run the risk of copying also the cell, otherwise it's going to be a mess. That's also the reason why I put them in the center. I center them rather than justify right or left. It makes it much easier to copy. Okay, here I have my list of English words now, and I test myself. Do I know the translation? Well, it so happens that I do. I also have a list already made up. Now, at this point, you can, if you want, scramble the order of the words, just for the same purpose. First, you build a new table. Then you copy a few words from the middle, from the top, wherever you want. And then other words, so that you rearrange them. This is particularly useful when you are dealing with fixed lists, such as, for instance, the months of the year. Sometimes we remember things because they are on a list. And in order to trick our memory, then you scramble their positions and see if you can remember them that way. You can create infinite lists of words, and you can keep on practicing them until you really are sure that they are fixed in your memory. Pay attention, check, obviously, for spelling, for correctness, and for all the other details. But this is a very simple and effective way.